Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Searchanise Search and Filter app for Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Shopify, you can use our link in the description below where you can get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So Searchanise Search and Filter app, or what do you call this? Additional apps that you can integrate into your Shopify accounts. One of the best app that you can use to make your page or make your website more accessible and more, how do you call this, flexible when it comes to using it. And Searchanize is one of those apps that can help you. So if you want to add or if you want to integrate that apps, you can just go to your Shopify homepage right here, log in your account, and right here on the dashboard, you can see there will be an apps right here, and just click add apps right here on the left side, and there will be default apps that the Shopify will show you. So if you want, you can also integrate these apps, and they also helps you to make your website more better and more accessible. But we're just going to click this one first to search for Searchanize. So after you press that, you will be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, I can search sorry, you can see there's more application that you can download or you can integrate to your Shopify account. So now there will be a search box right here, and just right there, just search Searchanize to find it. Sure. Searchanize filter, yes, right here, search and filter. So just click it, and right here, as you can see, it helps customer discover products in seconds using our smart search app. So yeah, it's pretty good to make your website more discoverable. So now click install if you're done, and you will be redirected back to your dashboard. So let's just wait. So right here, as you can see, the app needs access to personal data and view and edit store data. So you just need to agree with this and click install again. And as you can see, the app start integrating to our Shopify. Okay, so now right here, as you can see, the app itself will show you a tour that you can use to familiarize yourself into the app. So as you can see, it offers instant search widget, and you'll get a search that predicts what your customers meant to type, etc., etc., that corrects their spelling mistakes. And also, this is the benefits that you can get upon integrating Searchanise Search and Filter apps. So yeah, search result widget, and they will switch your default search result into their apps itself, the Searchanize, and giving your website more flexibility. Click next, and also personalization, yes, filters, of course, and merchandising. So just click next to all and agree to this condition. So I agree to receive emails about features and discount, and I agree to receive monthly analytics reports. So you need to agree with this to help you customize your mailing preference. So accept all, and now let's get started. So just click start, and after that, you will be redirected to this page. And now, as you can see, this is where you can set up your Searchanize, or you can customize your Searchanize search filter before you integrate it into your website. As you can see here, this is my website, and after we're done setting up our Searchanize search and filter, we will activate it right here. So now, if you want to start you know customizing your Searchanize search and filter, just go to this tab right here, search and navigation, or section, I mean. And as you can see, the instant search widget will appear, and it also offers more options like suggestions, dictionary, search result widget, preferences, synonyms, and stop words. So you can go and explore all of this, and edit some features if you want. So now let's start with instant search widget. As you can see, the Searchanize offers instant search widget, and it shows search suggestions and relevant results as soon as you start typing a search query into the search bar. So this is probably very helpful. So if you want, you can edit this. For example, templates, choose the widgets templates. You can make it a multi-column, modern, dark, modern, big pictures, or single column, classic, modern, dark, etc., etc. So if you want, you can just choose whatever you like, and it will show you a preview of uh, what it would look like. So as you can see right here, this is what it would look like. And if I change it to big pictures, as you can see right, this is how it looks. And for multi-column, I think it's better if you use multi-column and modern. Yeah, right here, as you can see, it's much better. So now, if you can also change the colors. So right here, the main background, you can change it whatever you want. The label color, suggestion text, etc., etc. You can change all the colors right here. You can just click it, click the color, and change it whatever you want. So now there's also a content tabs, and it select which informations, sections, and widget elements, and it will be visible. It will be visible to your customers. So yes, you can activate if you want to show your products, if you want to show the price, and if you want to show compare at price, SKU, and zero price action. You can also hide it or show it, and additional product field, etc., etc. Also, sticky widget, you can also enable it if you want. It's better, and you can change the appearance conditions. You can change it always to automatic, and if you choose automatic, the widget appears on the page automatically if the theme has no search bar. And you can also check the icon color and the position. So bottom left, bottom right, top right, top left. So this is where the search icon will appear. So I'm just going to leave it bottom left or bottom right. Yeah, I think it's better. So the product labels also, you can enable discount label. So if enable the discount label overrides show both all the new price option, and you should select one or the other. So if you want to have a discount label, just click it to turn it on, and as you can see, you can modify the discount label text however you want, the background color, and also the icon color of the discount. And in stock label also, you can enable it so that the people can see that the item is already in stock, and also the pre-order and out of stock. So yes, it's very important. So you just need to enable this so that the people can see the status of your items, and also label by tags. So this one, it's pretty much more it's pretty much complicated. So if you're really good at HTML and custom CSS, yeah, you probably can use this, but I think you don't need this. So now you can also, after you're done with instant search widget, you can also modify the search result widget. So yeah, right here, so you can change the templates itself. So this one is instant search, and this is the normal search result widget. And you can change the templates from big pictures if you want, or modern dark right here. Yeah, it's better. The colors itself, so you can change it. Same thing with instant search widget. Yes, right here. Content itself, the product labels, and custom CSS. So you can set this up whatever you want, and it shows their purpose, and shows their description, how they function. So you can just read this out if you want. For the preferences, as you can see, it just shows you or help you adjust how your search will work. So for example, for products, there you can enable AI personalization. So the search result will be personal for each customers based on their product views, adding to cart and purchases. So for example, the people or your customers buy specific product from your website. And yes, the AI personalization can be activated so that when they search something, they will be already recommended based on their previous purchase on previous purchase from your website or your shop. So now, as you can see, you can just read all of this out. It's hide out of stock products. Yeah, you don't need this one. Yes, you can just modify each tab and each sections. You can edit product fields, change the themes right here itself, change the categories, the page itself. You can just edit the page if you want to make it active, or you want to deactivate it, a certain page. You can do it right here. So it's pretty flexible app that you can use to edit your website. And for the synonyms and stop words, you don't need to uh explore all of this, but you can just go onto the filters. So yes, right here there will be already filters, default filters that they offer. So it is availability, collections, color, discount, prices, of course, prices, size, tags, and vendor. And if you want to add a random or a filter from a scratch, you can just click this one, add filter, right here on the right side. And yes, you can just name your filter, parent filters, and use certain filter. You can also edit the filter values. And after you're done with this, just click continue and go back. Your filter will be available right here, will be listed right here. And also filters on collections, you can also add filters on your collections and the color families. Yes, all of this one. So basically, that's how Searchanise and Searchanise Search and Filter app works on Shopify. It makes you it offers a flexible editing of your website on your shop website. It's better to this is one of the best application you can use to make your website more flexible and more accessible, and also more better user interface. And yes, that's it. That's how you can use Searchanize and Search and Filter app to your Shopify. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.